Hi guys, so I actually got flaxseed, and flaxseed is very rich. It has omega-3 fatty acid, which actually promote healthy hair growth. You can actually get flaxseed gel from this particular herb, which is actually very good to detangle your hair. So on your wash day, before you shampoo your hair, you can use the gel as a pre-poo treatment. Pre-poo basically means what you do before you shampoo your hair. You get anything pre is before. You get the scoop. All right, so this is how flaxseed actually looks. In case if you're going to the store to get it, this is how it looks up close. This is how it looks. So you can actually get this herb from those that are selling herbs and spices from your area, right? So yeah, it is very easy to do the gel. All you need to do is get a particular measurement of your flaxseed, and you put water, allow it to come to a boil. Thereafter, you will notice that it is quite slimy. Once it reaches that point, you turn off your gas, then you strain it. Be careful so you don't get burnt. You strain it, then you put it in an applicator bottle. Then you just apply it on your hair strands. Massage it in, detangle it from the tip of your hair to the roots, which is close to your scalp. Then you twist it up, leave it for, then you wear a shower cap, right? Then you leave it for like 45 minutes to 1 hour, and after that you rinse it off. Then you start your shampooing process. You shampoo your hair, you deep condition your hair, you allow it to dry a bit. When it is quite damp, you now put your leave-in conditioner and continue your hair day. Yeah, so that's it. Flaxseed is very, very good. I infused it in my rosemary oil, so you can do the same. For those of you that have my ebook, I've explained in details how to do rosemary oil. So flaxseed is actually a staple in the rosemary oil, so yeah, enjoy. And for those of you that want to get the ebook, it consists of different DIYs on how to make rosemary oil, the different methods to make rosemary oil, different methods to make aloe vera oil, and so many other things. Generally, how to grow healthy, long, thick hair. Click the link in my bio to get yours now. Don't say I did not help you guys. Yeah, bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele then they call me bank on it, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo ma macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go bamboo. As that day comes,